Hello gentlemen, this is MB again. So this time we're going to talk about, let me clear this, read stuff, how to read stuff, and now what are we going to read? Okay, let's say there is something on the screen and we want to read it and then use that somewhere, or you want to ask a question, right? So last time what we did is we write host, hey, I'm B, that's what we did, F5, right? So that is what we did. Let me take this way here, let me close this one. Okay, so last time what we did is, let me do that again, write host, hey, I'm B, right? But we don't want to do that right now. We just want to ask a question, what is your name, and then someone answers it, and then we want to print that, right? So we want to say read host, what is your name, right? So I'm butchering the English right now, so I just want to do stuff in a short way, a shortcut will cut you short, that's okay. I will say ambi, so it's going to print ambi. So why don't we combine write host and read host and use that to come up with something, right? So first we want to ask what is your name. We want to use that to print something, right? So let's say this is what we have. Okay, let's say write host, your name is MB, right? So this is what we want to print. I'm pressing F5, so it's saying your name is MB. But instead of saying MB, what we want to do is here we want to say read host. Let's see whether it works. What is your name? F5, it's asking me my name. I'm going to say MB. Hey, it's printing my name. So, but if you have to do this, every time, it's going to be a hell of a lot of problem. It's going to be a long code. It's going to be extremely inefficient. So let's don't delete this. I'm going to put pound sign here, or hashtag hash symbol there to comment it out. So whenever I press F5, it's not going to run, right? So let me clear this off. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, so this is going to lead to variable. I will say name is equal to, or name, a variable name is going to be assigned a value of this read host, what is your name, right? So if I run name here, it's going to ask me my name and print my name. So instead of running this entire whole thing, I can just call this and it will be done. Let's say you're working in an office and you have an employee ID. Instead of saying your first name, last name, middle name, and all that syllables, they'll just say employee number, your employee ID. So your employee ID is assigned, has been assigned in a certain name, certain string, right? The same way here. I want to use this name now. So instead of saying write host, your name is name. That's it. So I'm going to press F5 and it's going to say MB. Yeah, right. So that is how it is done. What if you already know the name, right? So let's say instead of doing this, I want to say MB here. It's not going to work because it doesn't know how to understand. Because if you put something without any quotes like this, it will think that okay, it is a function, it is a command. It will try to run that command and it will realize that okay, there's no such command. It's going to throw an error. So you have to say string. String means anything like name, not noun, So I'm going to press F5 here. Your name is MB. Voila, right? So that is what you do. So you learned how to write stuff, how to read stuff, and how to write stuff using the read stuff, right? So till the next lesson, take care and subscribe. Where is the stop recording?